Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the continuous love, support. I truly appreciate all of you guys, so thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're new here to my channel, bienvenidos, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are interested in seeing any kind of videos, I don't know, pertaining to beauty, lifestyle, self-care, vlogs, unboxings, all that good stuff. I have it here on my channel, so I'd love to have you part of my little familia. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the post notification bell. That way you are aware of any single time that I post any new video. Before I get started, of course, I do want to start off by sending my love, positive vibes, many blessings, just a lot of positive energy to everybody out there. I hope that everybody staying safe and healthy right now, all the time. Yeah, best of luck to everyone out there. So let's jump straight into this one because I really don't want to make this very, very lengthy, but I have so much to say. It is Halloween, so happy Halloween. If you don't celebrate Halloween, completely understandable. I'm not like a big Halloween person anyway, but I do like to, you know, partake in some festivities, dress up every once in a while. However, today here in South Florida, it is like 70 degrees. It's been storming, raining, thunder, lightning, you name it, we've had it, and I'm not mad about it. So I figured I'd take advantage and get in my whole like fall feels, put on my little beanie. I kind of got like all cozied up for Halloween / fall. And oh yeah, which reminds me, check out this little outfit. I actually just posted a Shein haul yesterday. I got it on there and it's super, super cute. I literally think it's like 10 bucks now. So I don't know, it's really cute, but I'll post a link up here or in the description box so you guys can find it. But anyway, okay, so I get a doorbell and I get Jeffree Star's mystery boxes in the mail. Now, I had completely forgot about these. So if you are interested in checking out the unboxing, then of course stay with me right now. If you're not a fan of Jeffree Star or Halloween, I'm so sorry. Don't come at me in the comment sections. I'm just doing what I gotta do. I'm showing you the products, I'm showing you what it is. And I decided to give you guys a little special treat for trick-or-treat for Halloween or just in general. I'm gonna be giving away one of his minis that came in, well, you know, it's like the smallest tier of it, but anyway, I'm gonna be giving this away in the giveaway, so stay tuned. That way I can give you guys the details how to enter and how to win the mini. Alright, I feel like I said everything I had to say, so now let's get to the actual boxes. Okay, so Jeffree Star did release these mystery boxes. He did 3 tiers. One is $25, that is the mini, and it's supposed to have 3 items in it. The second one is the premium, which is $60, and it's supposed to have 5 items in it. And the last one is the deluxe one. I think it's $100 maybe. Yeah, it is $100 and it contains 8 items. So I'm obviously going to run through them. I'm not going to be trying on doing makeup looks today because it clearly is an unboxing. I just want you guys to see the products, see what you guys think, if you guys want to partake in his next mystery box or not. Up to you. I know a lot of people aren't Jeffree Star fans. I'm sorry. Like I said, this is part of my job, so I'm just showing you guys what's out there, okay? First box we have here, like I said, this is the mini. This one's the $25 one. Okay, that's what it looks like. It has a little orange and black tissue paper inside. And I can see the 3 items already. Let's go ahead and pull these out right here. Alright, so what we got in the first one, it looks like this is a lip gloss, I'm assuming. Yep, it says iconic on its own or over any lipstick. So this is in the shade Crystal Climax. This is the packaging. Let me go ahead and open. Ooh, this is very pretty. Okay, so as you can see, it's kind of like a golden shimmer. He says that it can be either a gloss or it could be a thing to top it off. Ooh, this is beautiful. It is like a golden color. All right, that's what that one looks like. Hopefully the lighting is not like crazy right now, but yeah, that's that one. Okay, so that's the first thing that we have there. I'm assuming, I don't know if all the minis have the same items in it, so of course you can go ahead and think that whatever's in the giveaway might be something that's in this one. Okay, so coming here next we have another gloss. This is Unicorn Blood. I know that this is like one of the ones that always sells out. I don't think I have that, but this is actually very beautiful. I love how it kind of did the whole fall color thing. I'm totally digging that. Ooh, wow, okay. That's really beautiful, actually. I never really, look at that. That's that one right there. I never really thought like dark colors look good on me, but then when I do wear them, I'm like, oh, I'm not mad at it at all, you know? But okay, moving on to the last thing in the mini. Here we have, I don't know. Oh, this is a lip liner. Cool, it's a velour lip liner. This one is, oh, how dope. This one is in the color Unicorn Blood, so it's actually really nice because it's literally a set. Oh, que lindo. I've never had any kind of Jeffree Star lip like this, like a lip liner. So it's in the same color, so I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch this one for you. Literally the same color as the gloss. So it's kind of nice because it comes with the lip liner, the main lipstick, and then the shimmer if you want to put it on top or not. Okay, so that is the mini. That's actually not too bad. So like I said, if you are interested, hold on because you might be able to win that little mini as well. Okay, moving on to the second one, we have here the premium box. This is what this one looks like. It's pretty large. Let's go ahead and see. I think, like I said, this one has 5 items in it. Alright guys, and there it is. The tissue paper in this one is black and green, so that's nice. It's a little bit different. Ooh, what do we have here? Oh, beanie! I was literally just talking about beanies. Check this out, guys. So the first thing that I see in the box is a beanie. So this is a regular black beanie. It has a little orange Jeffree Star logo right here. It's mad cute. I love beanies. I really wish that I could wear them more. That's why, like I said, like anytime that we get a little wind, a little cool, anything, I put one on, even if inside my house, because it makes me feel like, you know, I don't know, like it's cold, like I don't know, like the whole vibe thing. I love it. So anyway, that's the first thing in the box. I'm just gonna go ahead and reach into something right here because this seems like it's going to be a palette. This is what this one looks like. I have a feeling I know what palette this is, but I don't know. Yep, and sure enough, it is the Blue Blood. Okay, so I actually have this one already. However, I'm going to show you guys because it is, honestly, it actually is really pretty. You can say whatever you want about Jeffree Star. I know he's not everybody's favorite, but he does release some bomb ass products, and I really like his eyeshadows. And just check this out, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this one up right here. You know what? I don't know. I might add this to the giveaway. I might do 2 separate giveaways. I'm not exactly sure, but this is definitely going to be as part of the giveaway. Blah, if I could talk. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side. Alright, moving on here. Let's see what we got. Again, we have, once again, what is this? I don't know. Oh, it looks like it's another like lip gloss thing. This one is in the shade Diamond Juice. It looks like it's gonna be kind of silverish. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Here you go. This is what this one looks. It almost looks like a few shades lighter than the first one that I did. Light pink shimmer. You can see it right over here. It's beautiful, actually. Okay, so that's the first lip product in the bundle. Then following here, we have this lip liner called Posh Spice. This is nice because it actually looks like it goes with the lip gloss that it comes with in the box. So it's almost like he set it up like that, like lip liner and the gloss. This one right here, like I said, it is Posh Spice. It's similar to the other one. Brownish, very light. It definitely goes really pretty with that color right next to it. This is it right here. Alright, and I do not want to open this one up because I can already see, hold on, that this one right here, yes sir, it is. It's another unicorn blood. Like I said, I did receive that in the mini, so I'm going to put this on the side as part of the giveaway as well. So let me go ahead and move forward. That is all she has in the, what was it, the premium box. Now we're going to move on to the deluxe. The deluxe is pretty large, as you can see. Let's go ahead and see what's in it. This is what the box looks like. As you can see, this one is all black, and I do know that the deluxe one has like a piece of clothing in it, which I guess is right here at the top. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and whoa, what is this? It looks like it's a shirt, which is actually kind of cool because it goes with the beanie. I don't see myself wearing any kind of Jeffree Star clothing. However, you know, maybe around the house or something like that. Okay, this is what this one looks like. I like the colors though. See, it's kind of like a orangey tie-dye. Here it is. Here's the front. And here is the back. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and move on out of this one. Oh boy, guys. I see something and I already have it. So guess what? Another giveaway. It looks like this video is going to turn out to be 3 freaking giveaways because, yeah, I think I kind of want to share the wealth that way. Okay, so guess what's in here? This one. I do have this palette, and I will say I really do like this palette. Like I said, not everybody has the best. You know what? Hold on. Let me go open mine because I know this is how it comes, but I don't want to open it up because I do, like I said, I do want to give the giveaway. So I'm going to move this to the side, but I'll be right back. I'm going to show you guys what it actually looks like inside. Be right back. Okay, this is what that palette looks like. It is beautiful. It has a lot of purplishes. I'm actually wearing on the outer corner this one right here, I believe. Yeah, I don't know. It's a really beautiful palette. Like I said, even if you're not a Jeffree Star fan, Gotta give it to the guy, man. He does put out some really nice products. So yeah, that is gonna be part of the giveaway as well. Moving on here, we have, oh, what is this? No sé, I don't know. Oh, it's a lip balm. It says Widow. So this is what this packaging looks like. I've never seen this, so let's check it out. Oh, how cool. It reminds me of a little bullet. Oh, and of course it is black. I don't know why I always go to smell everything, but this is what it looks like. It's super cute. It's super clever. Let me go ahead and do a little... Oh, no, mira, no, it doesn't have color. I seriously thought this was going to be black, but it is a lip balm. It almost has like a black, like a gray tint. It's going to be very difficult for you guys to see this one right here. As you can see, it's not completely clear, but it's also not black, so it's actually kind of cute. I wish these boxes would have came a lot earlier, but it is what it is. You know, I'm trying to get it out today because after tomorrow it's November 1st, and I'm not trying to be in the Halloween spirit. I want to go ahead and appreciate, you know, this upcoming holiday season. Oh my gosh. So in this box, you have an Extreme Frost. I know that these sell out very, very quick. He's done it with the launches before, and it's supposed to be pretty expensive. I believe it's a highlight. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Look at the packaging. It looks like you're about to propose to someone like that. Yeah, I know that these sell out fairly quick. It's supposed to be like really, really good formula. The color on this one is, oh, Lick My Glit. So this is this one right here, and this is the highlight. Let me go ahead and put some here so you guys can actually take a look. Whoa, that is pretty freaking blinding, and that's just a little bit with my finger. So let me go ahead and give you guys a swatch right here. Yeah, the texture definitely feels a little bit different right over here. A little bit different than the other highlight that he has. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm really excited for that actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and move that over to the side. Moving on over here, we have another lip. This one is in the shade Thirst Trap. Wow, this is pretty. Let's go ahead and move it right over here. This is like a metallic pink, and it's right over here. All right, very pretty. Okay, we're moving down to the 3 last items in the box. Okay, we have another lip right here, I believe. Yes, no? Okay, this is another lip gloss. This is in the shade Control Freak. I don't know if I have this one. Hold on, let me open it from the bottom. Okay, so I wanted to double check that I didn't have this shade, or else I was gonna throw it in the giveaway, but this one is the color in Control Freak. It is another lip, and it's a very pale, glossy pink. You're probably not even gonna be able to pick it up on the camera, but it's the one right down here. Okay, moving on to the last 2 products. Right here we have this lip liner. This one is a velour lip liner, and this one is in the shade Red Rum. Red Rum. Here you go, just like the other ones. Nice and simple. And let's go ahead and put this one up here. Wow, that's very pretty. Okay, so this is the color Red Rum up here. This is the lip liner. And last but not least, we have in here what looks like a velour lip scrub, and this one is in the I don't know, whatever. Anyway, this one is the strawberry gum. So let me go ahead and open this one up. And this is what this one looks like. I only own, I think, like one of them, one of the lip scrubs, and I always forget I have it. I need to make it. Oh my God, it smells amazing. It smells like straight strawberries. Actually, it smells very sugary, but thankfully you're not eating it. This is what the inside looks, and it's supposed to be a nice little lip scrub for your lips, obviously. Okay, guys, so that is all she wrote with the boxes. I'm sorry, I feel like I've been rambling on, but I just wanted to get through them and show you guys what's in the boxes and get to this part of the video, which I know is where you guys are all been waiting for. So it turns out I was originally going to be giving this is how I'm going to do this. Okay, there was originally supposed to be one giveaway. It's going to be the mini for the $25 mini. However, yeah, that's not happening because I have other things I want to give away. I don't want to keep them. I want to make, like I said, share the wealth with everybody. So we're gonna have giveaway number 1. Giveaway number 2 is going to be the blue blood, and I'm gonna add to this one the unicorn blood. So this is gonna be the 2 right here. And last but not least, you're gonna have the blood lust. Okay, so how to enter this giveaway. These are the rules, guys. This is for my subscribers. Like, I know a lot of people are like, oh, you know, go ahead and subscribe to the channel just to join this giveaway. I will be checking. I like to look at people who have been obviously like with me, commenting, watching videos. That's the kind of people that I like to give the giveaways to. So, yeah, this is definitely to my subscribers. So if you are interested, the rules are, of course, you have to be subscribed to the channel. Try to make sure that your channel is public. That way I know know and I can check to make sure that you are an actual current subscriber. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Obviously support me, I support you guys, you know, a little familia here. And also the main thing is I want you to comment. First off, you need to comment and let me know how to get a hold of you, whether it's your IG handle or your email. Let me know, because some people don't tell me and then I don't know how to even get a hold of them, and then they just miss out on the opportunity. And I want to know, okay, what is your favorite scary movie? If you even like scary movies. If not, it could be a psychological thriller, which those are my favorite type of movies. You know, just give me something in the season, whether you want to give me your favorite scary movie, or I don't even know, because I know not everybody celebrates Halloween, and that's completely fine. So it doesn't have to be spooky related. If you don't want to tell me about your scary movie, then you tell me a spooky movie or just your favorite movie in general. I love watching movies, and especially with this weather, so I would definitely love to check out what you guys have for me. Okay, I think that's basically all I have for the rules. So subscribe, like, comment your favorite movie, whether it's scary or not, and of course a way to get a hold of you. And last but not least, I want you guys to know that this is an international giveaway, and I'm only going to be running this for 1 week. The reason for it is because today's Halloween, the last day of the month, which means tomorrow is November 1st, and I do not want to carry any Halloween vibes into the holiday vibes. So I'm trying to make this nice and sweet, give people the chance to participate, to be a part of this. And so it ends next Saturday, November 7th at 11:59 Eastern time. I will not announce the winner until the 3 people get back to me saying, hey, I got your message. If they don't get a hold of me quick back, you know, then obviously they missed the shot. So just definitely get back a hold of me. Remember that I will be sending emails, if not late Saturday, Sunday for sure. So make sure you guys are checking it out. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you guys so much, like I said, for the love, the support. I really appreciate it. Happy Halloween if you guys do celebrate it. Stay safe out there. Make sure you guys are wearing masks, staying protected. Remember, COVID is still going on out there, and I want you guys to be as safe as possible. So once again, muchísimas gracias. Mwah. Have a good day.